That was so amazing. That's what I'm talking about. All the juice was... Hey, my name is Maddie. Welcome to our science project. We are learning about to do science. This is our science box, and let's get started.
Okay, y'all, so we're going to open up her box. As you see, she tried to open it herself.
Because I was a little too excited for that.
So here it looks like you get the Extreme Secret Formula Lab book.
Also have the science stuff that we need.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the workbook here. And this is all the equipment that you get. As you see, you get glow-in-the-dark powder, mixing bowl, a beaker, a funnel, eyedropper, mix and measure, scoop, test tube stand, two test tubes with squishy lids, and the sticker sheet. And these are some of the things that you can have, that you should probably have around the house, that I guess you can add to the experiment. So here are some of the experiments we could do. We're just going to go through the book real quick. So they have hard candy, glowing slime, glow dough, lemony invisible ink. There's a lot of things in here. Jelly plastic, scratch, sniff, and glow stickers, bread in tube, or in a tube, plastic rotten milk, ew, glowing crystal art, sense of smell, dark rose fossil, glowing alien blood, pure fumes, great invisible ink, a glowing volcano, bubbles and blower, red cabbage concoction, technicolor foam, red light, blue light, quick change paper. And that's it. So we're gonna try to we're gonna try to figure out which one we are going to do. Okay, y'all, so as it turns out, each science experiment, you have to have like your own stuff. If you're buying this kit for someone, just be aware that you have to provide, or the person has to provide, a lot of the ingredients to actually do it. So this secret formula lab really is just about the tools, the beaker, the stirrer, like that stuff. Now it does come with the glow-in-the-dark powder, and that's about it. That is pretty much it. So we're gonna get this set up. Okay, y'all, so we just realized that we didn't record us adding the glow-in-the-dark powder. This is the glow-in-the-dark powder here that it comes with the kit. You need to add just one little scoop and add it in there just like that. So that's what Maddie did.
Baking soda, baking soda, baking soda. We have our baking soda. I've been dipping my finger in here. We need half a tablespoon of baking soda. Put the lid on and shake it up. Now we need to add vinegar. This is exciting. We are going to put this vinegar into the test tube. But first, we have to turn off all the lights. Yeah, this is a really exciting project. So if you get these, you have to get this because it's really awesome. And I know you're going to say, I want to play with it, I want to play with it, I want to play with it. You can get a good shot.
Pour it in. Pour it in slowly.
Turn on the lights.
Did it fit? You pour it all. You didn't pour it all in.
Because I didn't.
Pour it all in.
Okay. I'm gonna be ready. Turn off the light.
Whoa. Did you pour all the vinegar in?
Wait, turn on the lights.
Maddie.
I can't.
Pour it all in.
Okay, I can't
Just pour
see.
it all in.
Okay, just
Turn it. Just make sure it goes upside down like that.
Mommy, just turn off the.
Whoa.
Here, I want to shake it. Now my mommy's gonna help me mix it up, but it didn't say really.
Okay, so Maddie wanted me to try to put the lid on this. Let's see what's gonna happen when she tries to shake it. Let go. Oh! What was that?
Oh, Poppy! I'm gonna do it again.
Now, do you know why the lid popped off?
No.
It's because of the gases
Yes.
made the lid pop off.
Pop!
Let's see, we're gonna try to put it back on.
Pop! We'll be right back, okay?
Don't hold it towards your face because you don't want it to pop in your eyeball. Hold it up a little. Oh.
Again. That was so cool. So I shook it out and.
Oh.
Whoa. Wow. That was so amazing. That's what I'm talking about. The juice was. Okay, thank you for watching my video. This is about learning. So don't try to come up in my house trying to get this little stuff for your science. You can go buy it at the store. Hope you guys learn. And it's a new science today. Get to subscribe and like my channel and da.
What is da?